Honey, stop the car. This exquisite, townhome west/upgrades galore, located in the highly sought-after 55-plus active adult community, known as the Tapestry, is a must-see. Step into the stunning home that features an open-concept floorplan west/soaring ceilings, gleaming hardwoods floors, plantation shutters throughout, a gourmet kitchen west/custom cabinetry, granite countertops, tile backsplash, gas range, a large island west/seating, soft close drawers and under cabinet lighting. The spacious, owner's suite features a tray ceiling and a custom closet that boasts of custom jewelry drawers west/velvet lining, and drawers for shirts, sweaters, etc. There is also shelving in place for shoes, hats and handbags. Second floor bedroom could also be used as a bonus room and has a full bath to complete it. As an added upgrade, the stair treads are wooden, so no need to stress vacuuming the stairs. Enjoy extra footage in the garage and the beautifully epoxied floors both in the garage and screened porch area. This community has 5 parks, a community garden, fire pit, gazebo, and a clubhouse west/gathering room, kitchen and fitness center. No city taxes.